She died after eating some virulent substance in the food she ordered at Wyatt's Cafe. Does virulent mean poisonous, delicious, old, or too much? This sentence uses clues of information. The sentence tells us she died after eating some virulent substance in her food. If she died from eating this substance, it must have been poisonous, and therefore virulent must mean poisonous. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Poisonous looks to be just what we're looking for, but let's go on just in case. Delicious is not something you can die from, and while old food might not be good for you, it's unlikely to kill you. Likewise, eating too much food is not good for you, but it's unlikely to kill you. Therefore, we can mark A, poisonous, as our final answer.